welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I want to share with you my favorite ways to use essential oils. Now some of you dolls here have introduced me to essential oils and suggested quite a few that I began to use, and I did pick up quite a few, but lately I've been interested in more of them. So I picked up a set from Amazon, and this is like one of those premium essential oil starter kits. So it gives you a sample of all types of essential oils for your enjoyment, for your pleasure, for your testing. So that's what I've been doing. So I've been enjoying these for some time now, and I have 6 of them that I want to share with you. And in my starter kit I have tea tree oil, peppermint, I have lemongrass, eucalyptus, lavender, and orange oil, all in which I have found different ways to use these, and I want to come to you and share with you how to use essential oils, well, how I love using them. And you're probably going to find some ways that you're going to want to incorporate essential oils in your daily lifestyle, because essential oils are a lifestyle. This is definitely a lifestyle. So let me start with my favorite way to use essential oils. Like right now I have essential oils burning right now on my desk because I love to sit here, work and edit and browse YouTube while sniffing lavender, and it makes my whole home smell so good. And I just got my little diffuser from the Dollar Tree, and it's very inexpensive, and I've had it for quite some time. And you just light a little tea light candle, stick it right in the little warming area, just put it right in, and put a few drops of your favorite scent right on top, and then you just let it burn. Just let it burn, let it burn, yeah, let it burn. And guys, it smells so good. And right now, as I said, I'm burning lavender. But yeah, so that is one of my most favorite ways to use my essential oils. And 2, before I go to bed, I'll choose between lavender and peppermint and just put a little, we're gonna go with the peppermint. This one just smells so good. I love peppermint oil. And just for a more calming effect, I just put a little on my wrist, just like this, and rub them together. And oh my goodness, it is just so relaxing, so calming, and it just rocks you to sleep. I love that. And 2, if you put a little drop on your mattress or on the sheets or inside your pillowcase, that's an awesome way to get a good night's rest while smelling the sweet smells of peppermint. It is so relaxing. I really suggest you trying that with the lavender or either peppermint. I know that you're gonna like it that way. And 2, my next 2 that I like to choose and use intermittently are the eucalyptus oil as well as the tea tree oil. Now a lot of you found my channel due to the Vicks Vapor Rub scalp and hair stimulant. Now to combat, I still use the Vicks Vapor Rub, by the way, I still use that, but to combat that smell, sometimes I'll use a little of the tea tree oil or the eucalyptus to kind of kill it. But alone, I still like to use either one of these, or you can even mix the 2 to massage onto your scalp to stimulate your scalp for hair growth as well as combat itchy scalp. So you can buy them both or use either one of these alone to stimulate your scalp as well as soothe itchy scalp. So yeah, and plus I really love the way both of these smell. I know some people can't stand the way tea tree oil smells. They think it's a little too strong or much like Vicks, but I really do like it. It has more like a piney type scent to it, but like I said, I don't mind the whole Vicks Vapor Rub scent. So using the tea tree oil alone doesn't bother me. I really do like it, and I love the way it feels on the scalp as well. Now in this set, again, this set is by LagunaMoon, and I got it from Amazon. You have orange oil. Now this one smells so good as well, and if I'm not burning the lavender or the peppermint, I'll burn the orange, and this one smells so good. Now I just recently discovered a new way to use this. Now this one's more for me, for the scent, but there's so many other ways that you can use this, really, really fun ways. Now, I've watched the girls here and even seen this in person in a bar where they had a spritzer bottle with water and they put a couple of drops of the orange or the lemongrass oil into that bottle and spray your glass with it before they make your cocktail. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I don't know, it just, they said it enhances your beverage. So yeah, I thought that was just like an interesting way to use both the lemongrass and the orange essential oils. But yeah, guys, those are my favorite ways. Now there are other ways that I like to use these as well. I'm going to hit you with one more of the favorite ways that I like to use my peppermint oil. Now I have one of those Conair foot spas, and when I'm giving myself my at-home pedi and soaking my feet, I like to put a few drops of the peppermint oil in there because it's really, really soothing. It just feels so good, and not to mention it does make your feet smell really good afterwards. But yeah, I'm not trying to say your feet stink or anything like that, and I'm not saying mine stink either. I just like the way it feels when you put the peppermint oil in there. It just adds to the feeling and it makes you feel like you're giving yourself an at-home spa treatment. But yes, guys, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have other ways that you like to use essential oils, let me know. Leave those down below, because like I said, I have all these oils and I'm looking for new ways to use them as well, because essential oils are a lifestyle. Alright guys, that's it for me. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Be sure to subscribe if you have not, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from moi. Bye guys.